Nothing but chop. Well, that's cool. All right. Kind of in like a range to the upside here. I'm watching the 30-minute and the 4-hour as well. And the 1 hour, obviously. Thinking about adding into this. All right, 3 contracts long. Hopefully, we don't go below VWAP here. Like to see a nice little rejection at VWAP and Yeah. So far, good. Lost pennies. Is the paint dry? I don't know, man. It's like watching paint dry, isn't it? I've been in this trade for about an hour now. Let's see. I got in right here. That was at 18:29. Yeah, over an hour. It's just been Chop City. Man. I feel like I've seen your username somewhere though. Lost pennies equal cash. Did I see you on another stream? I think I did. And I remember the stream. I do. So we clearly didn't respect VWAP, but hopefully it doesn't come down too much. I'd like to add another contract. We're gapping here and there. I took a long when the market was open. I was able to get 20 points and was up 30 plus. Now I got taken out. I was risking 40 points. I was going for 80. Yeah, I feel like we're going to pop to the upside. I just don't know when. My 30-minute chart here. I mean, we're about to pop. Typically, I trade these long wicks here for the upside. Starting to gap. Oh. Use the 200 minutes on the 80 minutes. You can see the level clearly. Tokyo session's open, so hoping for a little bit more volatility, but it didn't come. All right, we're finally back in the green here. Lost pennies. Good luck to you, man. I'm gonna hang on to this trade for a little longer. I'm only gonna stream for a little bit. I'm trying to test out Streamlabs real quick. Appreciate you showing up, though. All right, stay green. Back down to 50 negative. This chop is just insane. It's got to break though. At some point. It's the longest trade of my life. Is this a break? All right. Starting to get a little volatility in the mix here. Guess I'll take my 100 and run. What a trade. The gaps are like super crazy today. Gap, gap, gap. Gap. They're just all over the place. Back up 85. I really feel like we can hit these highs, the 720s, again. Maybe. Back down. Well, what was that? Oh, I had a 1. I had a 1 stop. I don't know why I only put 1. Kind of glad I didn't change it. That was a wild jump in action, though. Maybe we will jump back up. Pretty sure we will. Back up 70. Crazy. Chop suey, chop suey. Really got to start going somewhere. Nasdaq. Literal chop. Might be getting somewhere here though. Let's see. About to close this trade and just walk away for the day. If it doesn't rip up anytime soon. There we go. Getting a little action here. Sell one here. Just trail it nice and tight. Cool. Cool, cool. What's up, homie? Green. Yeah, I'm green. I'm long right now, so hopefully it does go green. Are you green? Here. Slide this way a little bit. There she is. Wave at everybody. Nice little push to the upside. Now our negative P&L is 42 negative instead of 200 something, what it was from that drop we had that went down here. What, you want to say something?
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Nils Kaufman. Yo, yo, where are you from? I'm from the U.S. I live in Middle Tennessee. Oh, you're from the U.S. Got afternoon, right? Yeah, it's currently 8 p.m. Welcome in, by the way. Watch your little toes. Got 3 a.m. Germany. What's your strat? Order book. 3 a.m. Wow. Let's see. My strategy. 9 and 21 EMA. VWAP. Kind of a momentum scalper. P&L this morning was like yesterday's trading day was $5,000. She's alright. $12 days now, 100% green. If you look at my past streams, it'll show the amounts on the thumbnail. Pretty cool. I've never been able to do that. No, I'm not. I do have a live account, but I trade prop firms. Look at that swing down. Holy cow. Do we buy this? I say we do. Should we green it? Green. She said green. Let's do it. We'll trade one. Say go, go, go. Go, go, go. Actually, I haven't traded my live account in like 5 days. I need to trade it. Break it. Break what? What are we breaking here? The green? Break that line? All right. Got a future day trader right here. You gonna be a day trader when you get older? You gonna trade? Yeah. I'm right now short on USD JPY. Take profit 142,700. I haven't traded Forex in a while. All right, we're in the green, up $60 for this trade. Brings us to like 14 on the day. Took a loss earlier. What are you jumping for? Silly. I'm using fib, EMA 200, and the IVN at the volume range tool. Sweet. Do you still use the 921 EMA? Yes, sir. 9 is the green and white is the 21. We're about to cross, actually. I don't use it as a strategy. I use it as a, how do you say it? One confluence of many. Kind of more swing. I wish I could hold trades longer. When they go in the green, several $100s, I just want to close them. I guess that's from prop firm trading, you know what I mean? So you have a trailing. Whenever I get it easier, but I don't know. I'm gonna set this, take profit there. Should took a couple more contracts. I was just letting her pick a trade, so now we have a whole $7 in the green. Trades here and there, not too much. I panic and get out quick too. I know I have I leave a lot on the table. Yeah, for sure, man. I reviewed all my trades from last week and my trades. I'm using OBS on the screen here. If I would have held on to my trades 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, I would have made so much more money. Killed my emotions on longer swings. I always take a view on the risk management data and I'm calm. Yeah. If that's what trading's about, risk management.
Order canceled.
I've never streamed in the afternoon, so this is pretty cool. A lot more interaction. Different interaction, I mean. I get a lot of interaction on my day streams, but it's nice seeing new people. Kind of at a support and resistance area here. Just chop. Barcode. What's up, dude? Oh, don't do that. That's gross.
Order filled.
Why's my so far apart? Cut what? You mean break it? Break the line? Let's see. I have Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Funding Ticks, My Funded Futures, and that's it. Facial Trader, what's up, bud? Yeah, she's silly. She's only she's about to be 4. She's a little crazy right now. You got featured on the start site on YouTube. Oh, really? That's cool. That's neat. I've been getting a lot of attention lately on YouTube. I don't know where it's coming from. Facial Trader said, may God bless her. Thank you, sir. God is good. Featured on the start of YouTube. Isn't that something? My subscriber count has just been jumping. Just yesterday I was at like 190, 180. So starting to grow quite a bit, which is pretty cool. I don't know your stream spawned on my start. Haha, that's cool. Also, I'm from Germany. I live in Middle Tennessee. Tom Pellegrino, it might be because you're normal. Yeah, definitely normal. I'm not trying to show off either. I don't have a Lamborghini. I don't have, I got a sexy ass wife, but no Lamborghini. What are you doing? If we can't break this EMA line here, where? Nice. $50, Olive. Nils Kaufman, but it's cool to watch you more calm, not scream ass in front of the camera. Yeah. You ever heard of Patrick Whelan? Wild guy.
Mario.
Green or red, Olivia?
Green.
Green. I'm gonna hold off for a minute, okay? Patrick Whelan is goofy for sure. Also TJR. I'm not sure what TJR means. Hey bro, how long you been trading for? My daughter was about 6 months old when I started, and she is now almost 10. Excuse me. I don't know how to get the simple VWAP on NinjaTrader. Any ideas? Yeah, it's easy. NinjaTrader. This is what I'm using as NinjaTrader. So let me just pull it up and show you. Green. Make sure this is in view. So trading revealed VWAP bands. I keep the standard deviation 1 and 2 off, but that's the way to get it. What you'll do is you will go into, let me just show you. You will download the tool. One second. You'll download the tool, go to tools, you're gonna go to import, and actually hang on. I think it's import. It's been a while. Let me just check. No, it's free. It might be export. No. Oh my geez, I don't remember how to do it. One second, I'll show you. It's been a minute. I can send it to you if you're in my Discord. I can send it to you on there. So join the Discord and I'll zip it over to you. I got it ready for you. Trying to refresh my memory on how to do it. I'll read the chat in just a minute. All right. Go to tools, import his Ninja script. That's right. You go to tools, hang on. You're moving my arm. I can't. Let's see. Import and Ninja Script add-on. And then it'll take a second. It usually freezes. It does for me. And then you'll put the file there. I just downloaded this to send to you, so when you get on there, I'll send it to you. Put all this back. Tommy boy, right? Just added you as a friend. All right, so I got it going to you. Let's see. It's on its way, bud. Are we gonna go back up or what? Yeah, I do on my phone. Typically, I don't trade late night session, no. But I didn't really have the day I wanted today, so I guess I think it was like $6,000 day today. Let me just check. I'll tell you. What are you doing? Yeah, it's almost 6,000, so $5,631. Just wasn't enough. I felt like I wanted to get a little ahead of the game. But no, I don't normally trade late night session on live, but the people are pretty cool, so I might start doing a 1 hour session. What's your opinion when it comes to trading after hours opposed to earlier in the day? A lot of times, most of my trades are pre-market, some at night, and on my phone, obviously, and then pre-market before market open. So most of the eval stuff is during the day, market open though. So yeah, yeah. Unplug it. Get it and unplug it. Are we gonna push up or what? And who was it that asked about the 921 EMA? With the trading sideways, you really can't use 9 and 21 EMA. It's too choppy. You need what now? Hey, bring that here. Unplug it. Okay. Now you can take it in the living room. Yeah. Here, I'll turn it on for you. Let me see it. No, give me the iPad. Whatever mommy's cooking is smelling good. There you go, sweetheart.
Mom, I got Bluetooth on this. I got Bluetooth on my iPad.
Nice. I find after hours the price is nice and smooth. Price action, but super low volume. Yeah, I mean, that's the problem. But I do see, like in London session, a lot of volatility. One thing that I would have traded if I'd have seen it yesterday was this. Bring it to me. Hang on 1 second. I'm coming. Sorry. So this right here, now you can't see it, can you? Part of my strategy are long wicks. So I'll take a funded trade on a funded account. Let me just make it a little bigger here. So this is 20 points per box. So 20, 40, 60. More than 60 point wick here. And this is the, I think I'm on the 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute chart. Let me just make it a little smaller. 30-minute chart here. I lost where I was. Oh, here we are. So I would take this trade right after this candle closes and to the upside. This is part of one of my main strategies. Now, it doesn't always work out, but most of the time it does. And you can even do it with smaller wick sizes. I mean, this right here was a phenomenal trade. I took, yeah, it went way up. I held on to that as long as I could. And then here again, I got stopped out on this one because you see this wick was huge. And then I jumped in and it came all the way down here. So this was another wick out. So I jumped in again and I caught $1,500 just on this right here. So you got to be smart about it sometimes. And risk management is key for sure. It doesn't always work out that way, though. Most of the time, though, it does pretty good. What the? ABK Gaming, yo. What's up, bub? Welcome to the stream. If you're not subbed already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. Amazing, brother. Thank you for sharing. Is that an indicator that you use, the boxes? Yeah, this is a, I'll pull it back. This is trading sessions. That's all that is. Really, I only use Spaceman BTC, VWAP, EMA 9, EMA 21, volume, and trading sessions. How long have you been trading for? I have been trading for almost 10 years. But not futures. I just started futures. I've been trading futures for about a year now. I'm going to take a buy order here. Kind of at the bottom, and then we have a long wick. I don't know what's up with my ATM here. Is there an issue with the stream? It's like loading on my end for some reason. Glitching. Yeah, I don't know what's up. I have been trading for 10 years. I don't know if you heard that or not. Almost 10 years. But futures for a year. Can't tell if you got anyone's on Kick or YouTube. Oh, there it is. It shows the icon. I just started using Streamlabs, so not really familiar with it. Just started using Kick too. Do I trade Forex? I have Oanda on my phone here, and I have a funded account for myself. It's my own money. So, yeah, I do a little bit. When I know for sure there's no doubt that I can win a trade, I'll take a swing trade. But it's been a minute since I've actually opened up a position. Last position I placed, I actually lost quite a bit, so took a break from Forex. I came from Forex into futures. Crypto, Forex, all that good stuff. I blew a 5K futures account in like a week. Just recently felt like they were targeting me. I was just being a DGen more likely. You know, when I first started futures, I blew almost 20,000. I just said screw it and took it out. Um, and then I started trading props. The reason I was doing really good when I first started, uh, coming from a background in trading stocks and other things, I kind of get the gist of trading, right? Trading all the time that I have, and I did really well in the beginning. I was making $2,000 a day on my live account, my own funds, and um, anyway, Trump. Fast forward, Trump. Market vote. We get 100.1 second candles, and man, I lost everything almost. I think I left myself with like 5 grand, 4 grand, and just withdrew it. Literally blew a bunch of money. So I know what you mean. 5K. 5K, I wish that's all I lost. But I've since recovered, gotten used to the volatility, and we're good. Nimai Persad. I hope I'm not butchering your name. I'm fairly new, about a year in, but it's mostly figuring out what style of trading and strategy. What I realize now is emotions and having confidence in the strategy. Yeah, a lot of people say that I don't show any emotion when I'm in a trade. I don't really care, and that's true. I feel like I'm not even paying attention to my P&L. I'm in a trade right now. I look at it here and there, but I'm in one contract. What's that gonna do? You know what I mean? But anyway, yeah, definitely emotions. Uh, Gold is much better. PA. What is PA? My strategy is fairly similar to yours. Awesome. I'm a reckless day trader. Hope you're not reckless. Evals, absolutely. I push them hard. I'm trying to build them up. I want to trade 20, 30 accounts at a time. Oh, price action. Sorry. I guess stupid. Gold moves so much. I'm used to Nasdaq, so I can't really. I don't want to deviate from where I'm at. I do very well. I passed 2 accounts yesterday's session. Today, but yesterday's session. You said my name correctly, thank you. I tried. I hope I didn't butcher it. Namai Prasad. It's a cool name. I'm currently practicing with micros. Minis is a bit too much for me right now. That's a good way to go. Absolutely. I trade micros too, especially market open on my live account. I have a account with NinjaTrader that is live. I don't even have it connected right now, but anyway, I trade at micros. I lost my way more than 5K prior. That was just a recent story. I just go on tilt and always think I can stop the habit. Nah, it's a gambler habit, man. And trust me, I have the same problem. But when you start seeing results from just taking a chill pill and, like what I'm doing now, I'm one contract in, I'm trading the bottom of a range here, hoping that it goes up. I mean, if I lose the trade, no big deal, but, I have confluence for my actions. I have a reason for the trade, and I'm not trading anything. I'm not going against my rules. But another thing too, you can just trade 1 or 2 trades a day. If your first 2 trades are red, don't trade anymore for the day. Come back tomorrow. Try again. I got out of that one a little bit early. Should have held on. But then if you get 2 green trades, keep going until you get 2 red trades. But one thing, I'm teaching someone how to trade right now, and I have his stop loss set at $100, and he can't move it, he can't do anything. Look at that, ripping up. I was literally trading directly on TradingView, but it's very slow to trail your stop. I'm thinking of switching to NinjaTrader. Yeah, that's why I switched to NinjaTrader. I have TradingView Pro. I paid for a full year Black Friday, and yeah, I mean, I love it for charting, but it's just too slow for me. If you get the CQG data, then it's a lot faster. I haven't seen it personally, but from what I'm told. And yeah, NinjaTrader's you're direct to their platform, so I mean, obvious, it has to be perfect. Yeah, that's key. I change strategies too often. Oh, don't do that, man. I have a few strategies that I look for, but on unfundeds from here on out, I'm only trading one strategy. If I don't see my setup in a day, I'm not taking it. Today, I only traded one funded account. One. And I have several. Okay, John, just got on your Discord. Where do I find the VWAP files? You go to your messages. Let me see if you've opened it. Does it even show if you opened it? I don't remember. I'm new to Discord. T, what's your name on Discord? You live now too? Yeah, man. I was trying to test out Streamlabs. That's what it's called. And yeah, what's up, man? YOLO Trader is one of my morning viewers. Do you ever use trail stops or just manual trail? I do a manual trail. I don't trail. I don't use the automatic trailing. No interest. Let's see. This is you. It's same picture, so. Sending you a message with the file. I hope that other person. Oh, you joined twice. It should be in your messages on Discord. TommyBoy5783. Yeah, you're on there. All right, so 9 and 21 EMA, cross, green one at the top. But we're in chop, so you can't really use that as a signal to go long. Another great deal. Cool username. Does anyone use funding ticks? I'm new to funding ticks. And I passed an eval, my first and only eval. And still in review. Under review. This account is currently under review, and you will receive an update from us in the next 2 working days. Why 2? You're welcome. Let's see. Catch up on the chat here. Cool. We're good. Did you get it, Tommy boy? Another great deal. Did you catch that huge April day when Trump said it was a great day to buy? Yeah, I was in long forever. It would go, it literally just all day long. And I think they had it wasn't just Trump talking. Might have been Fed speaker too. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but yeah, it was literally all day long. That's the coolest day I've had in the market. That was wild. Today was wild too. It was just nothing but down. Not yet. Kind of new to Discord. Still looking. All right, so let me pull up my Discord and I'll walk you through it. 1 second. All right, so when you're on Discord, I'll make it a little smaller here. Hope there's no private information visible here. Can you see everything? Yeah. All right, so Discord, you're on my server here, right? Let's say you're just on, Trader Chat or what is this? Anyway, this little icon here, direct messages. Click on that. Above the circle with me in there, and then go to messages, and there you are. You'll see me, and I'm right here. You just click that, download. Oh yeah, got it, John. Thank you. All right, cool, good deal. And let me know if you need help if you need help going through and adding it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. I might start streaming afternoon. Lots of views. I just don't like the volume. All right, guys, I think I'm going to hop off here. It is dinner time in the Smith household, and my wife is a great cook. So I'm going to hop off here. P&L is 120. That's all we made in this afternoon session, but no big deal. I'll make some more tomorrow morning. Hope to see you guys in tomorrow's live stream. Also, thanks, Namai. Have a good one. Peace.